Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to fix a loose cabinet, hang a TV mount, build furniture, or take on DIY home repairs, you already know how essential a good cordless drill is. The right drill can save time, reduce effort, and help you work more accurately whether you're a beginner or a seasoned builder. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best cordless drills for 2026 that offer great power, comfort, battery life, and reliability. These drills have been praised for real performance, not just flashy marketing. So let's take a closer look and see which one fits your needs the best. Starting things off, the Flex 24V cordless drill is a great example of how modern drill technology continues to improve. This drill is built around a strong 24V power system, which means more torque and longer working time per charge. One thing people really love is the brushless motor. It runs cooler, lasts longer, and helps deliver power more efficiently. It also includes multiple torque settings and a variable speed trigger, which lets you maintain precise control for both delicate tasks like assembling electronics or more demanding jobs like drilling through studs. The ergonomics are impressive too. Flex designed this drill to feel balanced in the hand, so it doesn't cause wrist fatigue during longer projects. If you appreciate a tool that feels solid and reliable while still being easy to handle, this one shines in that category. Moving on, the Skill PWR Core brushless cordless drill really stands out for its battery innovation. It uses Skill's PWR Core USB charging battery system, which not only powers the drill, but can also act as a portable power bank for your phone or small devices. That's something you don't see every day. The brushless motor here means longer life and stable performance under heavy usage. SKDL also includes a smart charging system that helps keep the battery cooler while charging, which means longer battery life over time. When it comes to usability, this drill is lightweight and feels easy to maneuver, especially when working in tight corners or overhead. For home users and DIY enthusiasts who like convenience, versatility, and thoughtful design, the Skill PWR Core drill is a very clever choice. Next, the Pulichuo 20V cordless drill is one of those tools that surprises you with how feature-packed it is for its price. It includes a full accessory kit, making it perfect for beginners setting up a new tool collection. The drill itself delivers plenty of torque for everyday tasks like installing curtain rods, replacing doorknobs, assembling furniture, and light construction work. The variable speed settings are smooth and responsive, which helps with control. One of the standout advantages of this drill is how lightweight it is. If you want something that won't strain your wrist or you anticipate working with it for extended periods, this is a great fit. It's ideal for smaller projects or general home maintenance, where comfort and flexibility matter more than industrial-level power. In many ways, it's the perfect first real drill to own. Stepping up, the Comaware 20V cordless drill is known for its balanced performance. It offers a strong 20-volt output system paired with multiple torque settings, a variable speed trigger, and an included accessory kit similar to Pulichuo, but with slightly more robust build quality. It feels more substantial in the hand, and it includes a fast-charging lithium battery that helps you keep working with minimal downtime. Users appreciate the LED work light that helps in dim spaces like garages, inside cabinets, or during evening outdoor repairs. The chuck holds bits firmly without wobble, which is important when drilling into tougher surfaces. Finally, at the top of the list, the Craftsman V20 cordless drill has earned a reputation for being dependable, powerful, and comfortable. Craftsman tools are known for durability, and this drill is no exception. The 20V system provides solid power output without draining battery life too quickly. The torque is strong enough to handle everything from wood framing to light metal drilling. The grip is one of the most comfortable in this category, especially for users with larger hands. What really makes this drill stand out is long-term reliability. It's the type of tool you can keep in your toolbox for years without having to worry about performance drop-off. The speed control is smooth, the clutch settings are very responsive, and the build quality feels premium without being overly heavy. Whether you're a DIY weekend warrior or someone who just wants a drill they can count on whenever something comes up, the Craftsman V20 consistently delivers performance and longevity. In the end, choosing the right cordless drill depends on how you plan to use it. If you want maximum power, the Flex 24V is a strong choice. If you love smart battery features, the Skill PWR Core system is incredibly convenient. For beginners, the Pulichuo is affordable and easy to handle. If you want balance and durability, the Comaware 20V fits nicely in that zone. And if you want a well-rounded, long-lasting, all-purpose workhorse, the Craftsman V20 stands out as the best overall pick for 2026. If you enjoyed the breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us what DIY project you're working on next. Thanks for watching, and happy building!